Welcome to UVexplorer, the ultimate tool for network discovery and monitoring. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up monitoring for your network devices. Let's get started. With UVexplorer, setting up monitoring is quick and straightforward. Monitoring lets you track up, down, bandwidth, device performance, detect network issues, and stay on top of changes in your environment. To get started, open UVexplorer and go to the Monitoring tab. Here, you can configure monitoring settings tailored to your network. Select the sensor monitor to configure. Next, choose the devices you want to monitor. The devices are divided into two sections. Select a device to add it to the monitored device list. You can then add any sensor to the device. UVexplorer allows you to apply an unlimited amount of sensors to any device. Once the device is selected, select the Schedule tab to set how often to run the monitor. Finally, select how you would prefer to be notified of any alerts. UVexplorer provides email, Slack, and ServiceNow integration. UVexplorer will also log all events. Thanks for watching this video on setting up monitoring in UVexplorer. For more information on network monitoring, please visit UVexplorer.com.